This is Antlers, your PSAR public service announcement representative from the Shaggy dog. I have such a dirty face because I've been so busy. I don't really like my dog Chow, so I thought if I brought my mom a quail egg and put it in the bedroom with her, that she might scramble it up for me. But instead, they took it from my soft mouth and discarded it in some way. I don't know. And then this morning, I brought my mom a dove. I didn't want to eat the dove. I'm not into that. I'm not a bird dog. I'm a ratter. So, but the bird was hurt. He had a broken leg. So I carried it in from the patio, through the dog door, all the way down. It's a big house, but I got it to the bedroom and I put it, at the bottom of the bed, so my mom could see it, and then she took care of it from there. She didn't kill it, she tried to help it. She wants to shoot the ones that are roosting in wrong places throughout her property, but this one she thought was okay and she wanted to save it for some reason. So we did, and we tried, and we got it going, and it flew off, and so it's just gonna have to have a bigger landing pad because it only has 1 foot. So I thought all these things were pretty interesting, and I'm still a dirty girl and I'm still ratting it out, but I just really am happy that it's getting to be summertime around here, and we are all the girls, all the Westie girls at the Shaggy Dog B&B, and we're going to see you in the fall with all of our new stays we already have booked. So have a great summer, everyone. Bye-bye.